So what is it? They capture it. You give them money and then they let it free.
Oh my gosh, that's one.
And how much is the bird?
What do you do with it? Oh, you open it and let them free. How much? How much is this crab with it? How much are these? What's it supposed to do? 100. 100. Oh, I don't have 100. Oh, I haven't got that. But Justin Bieber in Thailand. I don't have 100.
Yeah, hang on, take 100 out of there.
Pardon?
Take 100 out of there and release it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, absolutely. That's 500. Yeah, try and give her 100.
I don't know, should I get some change?
Yeah, 400 change.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is crab prayer when you we don't have...
Dave, have you got 100 baht on you or?
60. That's all.
Okay, has anybody got 40 baht?
How much is it?
We need another 40 baht. I've got 60.
60?
Oh!
There's a 50.
Okay. We'll just give it a 10. Yeah. Okay, hang on, Jude. Thank you.
Okay.
There you go. Just going at that. Yeah, that's good change. Okay. Alright.
Should I just leave it?
Yeah. Okay. This is Cherry releasing a bird and she gets a blessing. And it's free. And what do you think of that, Cherry?
Freedom.
Freedom. It's important.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
How do you feel about that?